Welcome to another tutorial. This is our ground floor plan. What we're going to do is we're going to start naming what these spaces are. First that you need to do is you need to, under architecture, place a room. When you place the room, it doesn't automatically tag it. You have to tag it separately. And how you can just tag a room is a separate tool. And then you just click it on top and then say, you want to tag this room, and then you can tag the room. So it shows you different things. It shows you the square meterage, it shows you the square footage. You can name it, say hallway, for example. And then you can give it a number. So you can switch off the number. So when you go to edit type, you can just switch off the room number and the square foot and just leave the square meter and your name, because that's useful. We don't want it to be 16 square meters because that's just way too much space. So we're going to make these walls room bounding again. Room bounding. Then it's just in that area here. There's another thing that you can do is you can tag all your rooms at the same time, so you don't have to do them one by one. So what I do is have to place the rooms first. So under architecture, you just place all of them. Okay, so we'll just tag them all. Another thing is you can get different tags. I would never have it this big. So what I would always do is I would load in the small size. This is the medium room tag. What you can do is, same way you load everything else, every other family, you go to edit type and then you load. And then when you go through your families, you go to the annotate family group, annotations. Under annotations, you've got tags. Under tags, you've got room tags, small. Select that. It will load it into your project and you say, okay, so it's in your project, so it's small. And then the way you can change all of these ones is select all instances in the entire project. So it's telling me that I have 5 of these in the project, and then I just change them to the small, name and number. Another thing I will show you is these will show up in section as well. So if I cut a section through my building, let's cut a section through this. Let's go here. We'll go to the view by right-clicking it and saying go to view. I'm going to use the tag all thing that I said that it will automatically tag them for you. You'll see that all the tags will only go on ground floor because that's the only place where we've placed rooms. So I'll show you what happens. So we go to annotation, tag all, room tags, apply, okay. Can you see? So for example here, it's showing the room number and the name, but actually we don't. We want to see the name and the area, the room area. So we say okay. And so this is 10 square meters. This is the kitchen. I didn't change it in plan. If I change it in the section, it will automatically change in the plan as well. So this is the kitchen, bedroom. Another thing I would say about rooms is they do the same thing as doors. They're usually higher than you need them to be. So what you have to do is change the limit. So if I go to level 1 now and I try and tag level 1's room, it's going to pick up what's below because you can see the room is too high. So what you do is you can adjust the room so it sits under the floor. And you do that for all your rooms. Door tags, exactly the same way. What you do is you go to annotate, is tag all rooms, doors, and apply. And here, all your doors are tagged. Door number 1, door number 2, door number 3. Why this is relevant is because what Revit then does for you is it can create schedules. So it can create a table for you. So you'll have a schedule of your rooms and a schedule of your doors. And if, for example, you had if you was doing a complete renovation and you wanted to give the builder a finisher schedule, it will tell you that this room, toilet, is 1 square meters and it's this material and blah, 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 and it will do it all in the form of a table. The tags allow you to collect data. And then you even take it a step further and you tag your walls. So you can tag all your walls and it will show you, like here, it automatically tagged all the walls. So that's a wall tag, for example. You can attach a description to the tag. So for example, if these walls are stud walls, but the external walls are cavity walls, these 2 walls will have the same tag. This wall will have a different one because it's a different type of wall. Okay, so you guys know what room tags are, you know what door tags are, you know what schedules are, and all that good stuff.